What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we will be looking into another set of releases that are to be released for the next few months. And we will be actually looking at two different brands, which is MINIGT for starters, and then we will be moving on to Inno64. So these two products have been coming up with some amazing castings and a lot of surprises for you guys, as they are coming up with some amazing ideas, and hope you guys are in line to grab them when they are released, and I'll be updating you guys on the releasing dates as well. So without further ado, let's get into it and let's start with our first section. We have MINIGT. So starting off with MINIGT actually announced their release on the Miata series. So the Mazda Miata series is coming up with two color variations, which is blue and red, which I mentioned before in one of my videos. So here are the two color variations for you guys. You guys can see the blue and the red. So this is like a teaser image that they have uploaded to their Facebook page, and this is what they will be putting out very soon. Moving on to the next, we have another flatbed coming up from MINIGT, and this is actually a Liberty Walk livery flatbed, and you guys can see the detailed flatbed. There will be two color variations, one is black and one is white. So these two also to be released in the next coming up few months, and the release date is not actually mentioned yet, but it will be out very soon. And also in one of my previous videos I mentioned about two different castings which are coming off from the Honda S2000. So the Honda S2000 image is also being released with the flatbed release as well. So those two castings will be out in same month in different dates maybe, but we'll look into it and we'll see how the releasing dates are coming up, and I will update you guys on that as well. So starting off with our next segment, we have the Inno64 collection to be released for the next few months. And starting off with, we have a JDM series, which is the usual JDM series released by Inno64. This time we have two color variations with two different decals and wheelbases as well. So this is coming in white and blue. So these white and blue will have decals as well as separate wheel sets, which you guys can customize later when you get the series. Usually Inno64 comes up with an extra set of wheels in different castings depending on the releases and the events that are included in it. So this time also the R32 coming up in two color variations with the decals, so you guys can customize according to what you like and how you want it to look like. So these are the two color variations that to be released, and the releasing dates are not yet mentioned. So hope to see them moving out and be on the web stores and the local dealers as well. So hope August will come soon and these two editions will be released, and I'll update you guys on the releasing dates as well. Stay tuned for August and make sure you guys grab this as well, because it's going to be an amazing hyped up casting and it will be blown off and sold out very soon. Next up by Inno64, we have another JDM legend coming up. So this is actually the Inno64 releasing their another variation of the AE86. The Torino AE86 has been coming up with some amazing variations, and the original variation also came up a few months ago, and this is also coming up with some amazing set of wheels, so you guys can customize according to how you want it. And this is actually somewhat similar to the AE86 which was in the Initial D anime series. So this is actually one of the most popular AE86 liveries in the world, and a lot of people have these in their collections, and Inno64 is coming up with another casting just for you guys to keep up with the hype. Inno64 is blessing us with another JDM. So this is also another GTR R32 to be released in August. So there will be three castings released in August for us. So talking about this specific model, it is actually, you guys can see from the livery itself, it is the police car release. And talking about this police car release, this is actually one of the drift police cars, and this is the Kanagawa Keneki Japanese police car edition. And you guys can see some different details on it with the antennas and a small wing breaker in front. So hope for that to come out as soon as possible as well, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are waiting for this, because I've seen a lot of people like to collect police car editions, and it's been a really hyped up casting and a livery. So Inno64 is coming up with the GTR R32 police livery edition as well. So talking about the police livery edition, there has been actually two releases. One is this, which is coming up in August, and one was released a few months ago. and definitely both of them will be in our channel, and I will be doing a full-on detailed review and a comparison of both models as well. And these are the updates that we have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to hit the like button, hit on the notification button, and as well as subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest news. So hope you guys enjoyed the video as always, and if you have any suggestions, any comments, put it down below in the comment section and let us know, so we will look into it. If there are new castings, new brands which you guys want us to review in our channel, we will be happy to do it, and hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.